just wanted to say how great chiropractic care is. Both my girls, being new parents, would go through the whole theology that the medical industry kind of puts in your heads. Flu shots, antibiotics. What are the other shots? Preventative type things. And with this little girl, we were noticing some negative side effects. Nothing major, but just she wasn't responding very well to those type of shots. She would get sick, or she would be kind of grumpy for the next few days. And being introduced to Dr. Tullius and us getting adjusted, he had recommended that these kids get adjusted. So she was adjusted about 9 months starting?
Yeah, or a year.
Yeah, maybe a year.
Was diagnosed with.
After she was diagnosed with asthma, and she's still on a preventative, but we haven't been to the hospital. No doctor's visits. It's pretty much chiropractic care is their primary care physician. She's been adjusted since childbirth. Like 3 weeks old.
Yeah.
And we haven't given her much shots, and it's kind of hard to say no to those guys. But the more equipped that we've been from Dr. Tullius, we've had a lot more confidence, saying no and kind of taking control of our own kids' health and ours. We've just recently lowered our medical insurance and putting that savings of money towards more chiropractic care, so we can be seen on a regular basis. So yeah, love it. Would recommend it to anybody.
And the ear infections also. When they both had gotten an ear infection it's been a year in February, and then Ashlyn, they put her on antibiotics. She went through her whole cycle of whatever it's called of antibiotics, and then it didn't go away. It came back, and then she got one, and the pediatrician told us it was lousy eardrums, and Dr. Tullius said just not to put them on antibiotics anymore because it was clearly not working. In fact, it was giving them other side effects just with the antibiotics. So we started coming here regularly, at least once a month, and at any sign of any sickness or runny nose, we come here. And Sierra's asthma's, pretty much gone. We don't even have a problem with it anymore. When she gets a cold, she doesn't have to go to the ER, or there's no trouble breathing. It's just chiropractic care, and then they heal quick. There's been no infections anywhere, no antibiotics for over a year, and they're happy and healthy. Right?